This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Today we're going through my list of top 10 IKEA organization gems you just gotta have in your home. These IKEA finds will help you organize your home while making it look super cute, so stay with me as we go through all of them. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm An, and this is my dog on Mars, and we love all things IKEA DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The very first IKEA organization find I have for you today is this beautiful basket in handmade rattan. Now, IKEA has many underbed storage solutions, but this one in particular is such a gem since first, not only it can store so much inside, but it looks so damn good. I mean, just look at this gorgeous rattan. This basket is both decorative and practical, and it's just perfect for storing your seasonal clothes or bed linen, protected from dust. What I love most about this one is the fact that you can stack one or more boxes, one on top of the other, and they look so decorative. Plus, it's woven by hand by skilled craftspeople, which makes each basket unique and one of a kind. Another gorgeous storage gem from IKEA that's a part of that same collection is this beautiful Ottoman with storage. I've talked about this Automan on my channel so many times, and I'm not planning on shutting up about it since it's such a cool and practical product to have in your home. It's just the perfect storage solution for blankets, throws, even shoes in the entryway, while providing you with extra seating at the same time. I just love furniture pieces that are multifunctional and look so good at the same time. You can use this Ottoman in so many different ways, as a footrest, as an extra seating, even as a table if you place a tray on top, while using it to hide items you want to store, which makes it just the perfect solution for small spaces. Another amazing organization item at IKEA is the NÅLBLECKA Organizer. This one is actually a new product at IKEA that came out this year, and I love it so much. Although it is made to store spices in your kitchen, I can honestly see it used in so many different ways around your home. First, it's such a great way to keep your worktop well organized and stylish at the same time, which is an easy care hard-wearing natural material that will give your kitchen a warm and vibrant look. You can use it on the worktop, in your kitchen, or on the dining table, even in your bathroom, or anywhere in your home where you need things neat and organized. You can find so many storage boxes and baskets at IKEA, but one of my favorite ones is this square KUGGIS box with a lid. Not only these boxes are stackable and can hold up so much, but the fact that you can use them in so many different ways and in so many different places around your home is just astonishing to me. First, they fit in the calyx unit, which I absolutely love. They also have a lid, so they will keep anything you store inside dust-free. Since they are stackable, you can also use them freestanding, one on top of the other. And what I love most about them is that they fit on the involving utility cart, so you can literally make a trolley out of these boxes. These come only in white, but they are so easy to keep clean and will store so much. Now, before we check our next IKEA gem, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace. I've been doing about Squarespace so much on my channel. That's because it's the real gem when it comes to creating stunning websites and making selling online completely hassle-free. With Squarespace payments, you can actually start receiving payments literally within the first minutes of setting up your store. The onboarding is so quick and simple. They handle all of the complex payments processing behind the scenes. Another amazing thing about Squarespace is their visual design tools. You can create such an elevated look for your website with these modern effects. They have dozens of intuitive options that make your site look so professional and aesthetically pleasing. And what makes it even better is their integrated email marketing feature. You can easily stay connected with your audience and grow your brand all from one platform. It's just so smart and practical. So if you want to create a website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA gems. The next IKEA organization gem I have for you is this smart desk organizer with pegboard. IKEA actually released this one a while ago, and every time I see it at IKEA, I'm just amazed of how smart of a product this one is. This portable storage organizer is the perfect solution when you want to switch workspaces at home or at the office. I love that you can add the SKUFFEN accessories on it by using the holes on the pegboard to make it even more personal and practical. This organizer will also help you gather all of your work things in one place and easily move them from one workspace to another while storing so much, from your laptop and other electronics to crafting supplies, documents, and just anything you need. Another IKEA organization gem I just absolutely love is this 2-tire basket made for organizing your fruits and veggies. First, this one looks so cute and is just great to place on the worktop, dining table, or even on the floor. This is just the perfect solution for keeping your vegetables and fruits. The lower tire has a lid that keeps the storage compartment dark and allows air to circulate, making it perfect for potatoes. You can actually separate the basket's 2 tires to save space when not in use, which is so good. And when we're talking about kitchen storage, I just have to mention one of the best IKEA gems for storing your cutting boards, which is the UTRUSTA Partition. This partition actually comes in a pack of 2 for $4.99, and all you have to do is just screw these 2 inside your cabinet to make space for organizing your trays, table mats, or cutting boards nicely and keep them easily accessible at all times. Another IKEA organization gem is this set of 3 clothes bags. I don't know about you, but I just love to organize my clothes whenever I travel, and these bags in 3 different sizes are just the perfect solution for keeping your clothes and underwear organized in your backpack or suitcase. You can actually keep trousers and t-shirts in the large bag and underwear and socks, even electronics, in the smaller bag. I love that these bags fit perfectly in the stock box with compartments, so you can use them for organizing in your home too. Plus, these come at a great price point for $5.99 for the set of 3. Another IKEA storage solution that's such a gem is the SKUFFEN transparent shoebox. This acrylic shoebox is actually the perfect solution if you want to take extra care of your shoes and just show them off. This box actually opens in the front, so it's always easy to reach your shoes, even if you stack several shoe boxes one on top of the other. You can keep things in order and display your favorite shoes in the transparent box, which also makes it easier for you to find the shoes you're looking for while making a decor moment out of your shoes. Plus, the aluminum frame allows you to stack boxes one on top of the other without scratching them too. And the last IKEA gem I have for you today is this solid wood wine rack for 12 bottles. This would be the perfect solution for keeping your wines organized and just well showcased. I just love the natural wood and how good and decorative this wine rack looks. You can actually keep it on display or inside a cabinet, whatever you prefer. I personally like to make a decor moment out of my wines, And this rug is the perfect solution for that, and I just can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. And with that, we wrap it up for today. Make sure to let me know which product was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Next week, I actually have an IKEA hack DIY video planned where I make over 3 budget IKEA products and turn them into high-end pieces. So subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss it. Thank you again so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! You've all been asking for Mars's clothes, so here is one of the new products I got for him. Look at this hat or cap. This one is used for when it rains so that his ears are always covered. Isn't this just super cute? You're like a grandma, you know that? You're like a granny. Oh. You're adorable. You're adorable. I just can't stop laughing.